Well, Uber Eats is now going to add weed delivery to the app in Toronto, specifically.
I thought this was kind of cool.
Specifically Toronto. Well, I guess cannabis is edible, but it is not your typical thing you'd have delivered by Uber Eats. You know, I got a new phone number recently, and my God, I'm getting all like these automated text messages from all the weed delivery services.
Oh,
because whoever had the number before me, I guess, was just ordering weed all the time. Because it's all they're like, hey, new deal, whatever. And he signed up, I guess, to all these SMS things. I'm trying to get removed, but
you took someone's number?
Well, dude, you'd get a 416 in 2022. You took somebody's number.
That's rare. Yeah.
You took somebody's number. Yeah. So I was kind of surprised by it. And this happens frequently, by the way. They're recycling numbers. Somebody doesn't pay their bill, comes up for grabs. There you go. Torontonian stoners aged 19 years and older can begin purchasing cannabis via Uber Eats today. They show the guy, Uber Eats delivery courier. Food delivery services partnered. Oh, it's a partnership with Leafly, which was already an online marijuana retailer, to connect customers with local dispensaries. The dispensaries are just blown up everywhere.
Every other store on the street.
You got more dispensaries than coffee shops, for sure you do.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's feasible, sustainable. I'm not sure, but everyone's pumped up about it right now. There's your nothing phone making noise.
Yeah. That's my Uber Eats delivery.
There it is. According to Leafly, this is the first time marijuana delivery is available on a third-party food ordering platform like Uber Eats. Well, I guess you could probably get some food and...
Yeah, that's the perfect combo,
I guess you could have, because you... I don't know if Uber Eats does it, but DoorDash, they'll give you this prompt. You order from one place, and they'll be like, you want us to pick up anything from this other place while we're at it, like the convenience store or something? It will prompt you. Be like, you have 7 minutes to decide if you need anything from the convenience store while we're on our way. They'll do a second stop. So I just wonder how that integrates with Uber. I'm less familiar with it. But yeah, I guess that's a big deal to people. Uber Eats has a huge install base of users.
Yeah.
Already. I wonder if the fees and everything will be similar or different. It's not clear when or if this partnership will expand to the rest of Canada or even the United States, but Uber says it has no formal plans to expand this particular offering to customers in the U.S. as the legality of cannabis consumption varies heavily from state to state. Well, I think it varies.
Yeah.
Quite a bit, like to the extent that it totally wouldn't be possible in some places. Yeah. Anyway.
So